Let's start this series with an overview on the beginning and founding of Ethereum. Ethereum's main founder, Vitalik Buterin, conceived the idea in 2013 and published the project's initial white paper in November of that year. A number of individuals have become known as co-founders of the Ethereum network alongside Vitalik, including Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony DeLorio, and Joseph Lubin. In 2014, the group launched a campaign to raise funds in order to finance the building of this stated vision, ultimately raising over $18 million in exchange for 60 of the initial 72 million Ether minted. This put the initial sale price of Ether at around 30 cents per ETH. The remaining 12 million ETH were split among the Ethereum Foundation, a nonprofit organization dedicated to supporting Ethereum and its ecosystem, and Ethereum developers. This token launch method, whereby native tokens are created and distributed prior to the protocol's launch, often in an effort to fund early developers in the protocol itself as well as gain community network effects, is known as pre-mining. The remaining 12 million token allocation resulted in 3 million ETH being placed in a long-term protocol endowment, 6 million Ether shared amongst 85 of the initial developers, and 3 million as a developer purchase program that gave Ethereum developers the ability to purchase Ether at crowd sale prices. The Ethereum proof of concept, named Olympic, was released in May of 2015, and the Ethereum network went live in the months following with the first live version known as Frontier. The ideas behind Ethereum are best conveyed by Vitalik himself within the conclusion of the white paper, stating, "The Ethereum protocol provides for a platform with unique potential. Rather than being a closed-ended, single-purpose protocol intended for a specific array of applications in data storage, gambling, or finance, Ethereum is open-ended by design, and we believe that it is extremely well-suited to serving as a foundational layer for a very large number of both financial and non-financial protocols in the years to come."